Hello guys, I'm Soleha. So now I'm going to make a bawal scarf tutorial using a square shape of bawal. So let's get started. First of all, you need to fold your bawal into a triangle shape. Then place your bawal on your head. Adjust your scarf and awning according to your own comfort. And pin it with a brooch. Hold on, I forgot to tell you guys. Before you pin your scarf, you need to make sure that your veil on the left side shorter than the veil on the right side. Bring the short part to the back of the hook and pin it. For this part, you can use safety pin, brooch or basic pin. But for me, I prefer using a basic pin. Make sure it is neat enough to go for the next step. Then, you need to pull the long part until it ends to cover the front of your body. Adjust your right veil on your own comfort so that it looks smooth. Then pin it. Almost done. So what we need to do is pack it up. So it's done. Now we are ready to go anywhere.
Hello everyone, I'm Asya. So today I would like to show you guys on how to make a visor style using this bawal. The materials bawal that I'm using for this tutorial is cotton, which is pink color.
Firstly, fold your bawal into a triangle shape and leaving a bit of space at the corner. After that, adjust your scarf according to your own comfort and how you want to cover your chest. So now, this is the most important part in this tutorial, which is you need to fold the scarf a bit on your head, like this. And then pin your scarf under your neck to keep it in place. So guys, this is the last part. Adjust the scarf and the visor part to your comfort, making sure they sit well on your head.
Hello everyone, my name is Azira. Today I would like to share you how to make bawal to show you how people nowadays tie it. I am using the cotton premium and 46 inch because it's more easier to tie it. Let's go. Okay, firstly, take the corner side of your bawal and pin it under your chin. Make sure the one side is shorter than the other side. Okay, secondly, take the first long side and pull up and pin above it. Then pull the second layer side and pin it at the side of your head. After that, adjust your scarf according to your own comfort and make sure it covers your chest. And pin it on your shoulder. Make sure it's secure and it doesn't move. more cover on your chest and at your back, use the bawal for 50 or 60 inch. If you doesn't like bawal, you can use shawl to tie your hijab. Now my friend Stella will show you how to tie a shawl using a real shawl.
Hello everyone, I'm Bella and today I would like to show you guys on how to style a shawl using a chiffon material, and I'm using an earring for the accessory. So first thing first, you have to make sure both of the veil is at the same length, or it can be either one shorter than another one, or whatever suits you. And for earrings, I always prefer to wear a hook than a stud, just to make it look more stylish and appealing. So the first step is you have to pin one right beside your earrings. And take the leftover and pin it again beside the other one. So in this step, you can wear either one pin or two pins, but I use two pins just to make it more neat. And for the next part, you have to bring this side at the back and adjust it based on your comfort, and this side too, like this. But do not pin anything yet. Then make sure the flow of the shawl is nice and comfortable. Plus, it is very important to make sure the tightness in your neck area is okay and you will not feel choke. Next, the most important part in this tutorial is how you want to style your awning, like this. It can be either like this, stiff, or you can make it look flowy. You can do this, like this. And for me, I prefer my awning to be as stiff as it can be, so I won't have to recheck my face in the mirror every 5 minutes. And for this part, you have to take one on the pin and pin it beside your earring, but make it as low as it can be, so the pin will be invisible. And for the last part and for the finishing part, you have to tie both of the veil at the back neatly, like this. And now you are ready to go. However, youngsters nowadays are too creative that they created a new style, which is using a shawl to make it a bawal. So let's see how my friend will do it. Bye!
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Sahira. Today I would like to share with you guys about how to style shawl to bawal. The material I choose for this tutorial is cotton shawl. It is because cotton shawl can make the awning look very on point and very comfortable. You guys also can use chiffon material, depends on the shape of the face. First step, we have to fold the shawl. Fold the end of the shawl into the triangle or square shape, and then wear it on the head. The way to wear it is the same as wearing bawal scarf. Next, we need to pin under the chin and wear it sweeper, such as fold it right and left. Then, the first thing we have to do is pin this shawl on this side. Pin like this, right? Okay. We have to do this to make sure that at the end, this scarf can be centered and look very neat. After that, bring the long side up. Bring the long side up. Okay. And then here. Alright. The last step to fix it and pin over right and left shoulders. Okay, take a pin and then pin it here. Okay. Another pin. Pin it here. Alright, so look at this. After that, I use a mirror to make sure everything's done and we feel very confident to go out. That's all for today, and don't forget to put back all the things you used before going out. Thank you!